Hello, once again, I'm at BR Schultz SP500. Thank you for joining me. We have 61 months until we reach the end of the Roaring 20s. 5 years away, and in the next 61 months, I feel like it's already feeling like the late 90s. If you were around for markets back then, I was in high school actually, so I wasn't necessarily paying to markets all the time, but I remember the dot-com bubble for sure in some of our finance classes, things like that. So after the August 8th low, which I believe will occur, I think this is a wave 4 up on a 5-wave down into roughly August 8th. I think we bottom around August 8th, and then I think markets will go up into October 1st roughly, give or take a business day or two. And so wanted to show you the model for that, just as a quick sneak peek into what I think happens after this bottom that we should be seeing. If we haven't, some might argue that we've already seen it. That's fine. I'm just doing my best to do market timing. I could be wrong, very much so. It's very hard to predict extremely with great precision in a very strong or very weak market, right? It's very hard to understand because either direction is going to be the momentum is obviously taking the markets in that direction. So, you know, if you're trying to predict upward movements in largely crash environments, it's very difficult. And obviously predicting crashes in a largely up environment, it's very difficult as well. So we did see the crash that the model was looking for. How it all works out, that's not always easy to determine, but I still put my pencil in my prediction of the final bottom around August 8th, and then my Homer Simpson ultimate couch potato wave. I've been working on it. Obviously, the peak was not around July 7th or 18th or 21st. It was a week later, so I've been working on that, and I've synced that. So resync that, if you will. And so let's jump to it. Okay, so the first one I've resynced, you can see the peak model here, picked a peak. You can't really see the dates that well, but I synced it with July 30th, and then essentially the red wave has a 1, 2, 3, 4 count out to roughly it says September 30th in the screen if you have really sharp eyes, or you can zoom in. But you'll have to take out a holiday more than likely in there for Labor Day, maybe even 2. I don't know. I don't study all the holidays, because you could have one for maybe September 11th too. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's a market holiday or not. But essentially that would push it out to roughly October 1st. If you remember from the VIX model, the weekly VIX model, the VIX is looking for some type of major rocket move up in the VIX into mid-late October. So I believe that markets will continue either sideways or higher into the October 1st peak. So thank you for joining me today. I've kept it about 2 minutes or whatever in just the first 2 slides as we continue this 10-year journey to what I believe will be the end of the Great Depression in around mid to late 2034. So thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, take care. Again, this is just a snippet of the GoFundMe page. I didn't want you to forget that, so thank you. And please bookmark it, whatever, and watch it over the next decade or into late 2034. Thank you so much.